Former Chief Minister of Manipur and CLP leader Okram Ibobi emphasized that violence is not the path to resolution and called for dialogue, aligning his views with the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. He stated that democracy has no place for violence during the celebrations of the 155th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and the 120th birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri, held today at Congress Bhavan, BT Road. MPCC President Kaisham Meghachandra, CWC member Gai Khangam and other Congress leaders accompanied Okram Ibobi and paid homage to the statues of Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri. During his speech, he highlighted that Gandhi's 155th birth anniversary is recognized globally as the International Day of Non-Violence. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee commemorated the day by honoring Gandhi's principles of non-violence and cleanliness. Ibobi recalled how Gandhi waged a non-violent struggle against British rule to secure India's freedom. Ibobi further stated that to achieve peace in Manipur, it is essential to embrace Mahatma Gandhi's ideology of non-violence and engage in dialogue. He asserted that violence cannot lead to resolution and has no place in a democratic society. He maintained that true resolution cannot be attained when individuals resort to killing for political mileage.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯃꯨꯛꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯅ ꯆꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯤꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯍꯤꯡꯁꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯅꯣꯟ ꯚꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯠꯃꯥ ꯒꯥꯟꯙꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯑꯣꯂꯣꯖꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯠꯃꯥꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯥꯄꯨꯖꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯣꯛ ꯀꯨꯝꯑꯣꯟ ꯄꯥꯂꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯔꯐꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯁꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯗꯤꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯂꯧꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ solution property koi khaje jade aduna wari sanaraga hingsa yaudana akoi warishin kornuna ba hotna bina ba tangai phadi